like I'm in fifth gear, which is the highest. But if I was to slow down, I would then drop it down to gear 4.
Yeah.
A bit like when you're on a bike, isn't it?
Yeah.
If I go down even slower, I'll then go into gear 3rd gear.
Yeah.
If I slow down. What the hell? You okay?
Yeah,
you
let's
okay?
get out.
Wow.
Other blades. The Michelin Endurance XT silicone wiper blades are real-world proven for extreme silicone wiper blades today.
Oh shit! Idiot! Damn it! The f*** is that shit? Ooh.
Yup. See? That's what I'm talking about. Oh, there goes that. Wow, we're smoking, Ian.
Yeah.
Right, we put it right in.
Yeah.
It's like, well, if you allow us. Oh, somebody just stacked it. Shit.
Everyone alright? You alright, darling? It's alright.
It's alright. Oh shit.
And he said he's going to leave 3-4 days ago because his polls are going like this, right? Then,
Will he debate you? Well, do you think he's going to debate you?
I know he'd like not to, but I know that because people representing us.
He might do all right in the debate. I mean, I think
I guess if you feel pushed into something, like okay.
Whoa!
You okay, babe?
Yeah.
Thank you. We're very lucky because AJ's a really good driver.
She's counting money in the car. Man, I swear, if I wasn't auto-tuning, I'd punch it right around her. She still hasn't taken her eyes off of her lap. Guys, I'm gonna pull up next to her. I'm looking at her through her mirror. Her eyes are still counting money in her lap. You know when you drive through your peripheral, she's still looking. Look at this, look at this. Mind keeping your eyes on the road? Mind keeping your eyes on the road and off your phone? You kill people like me. I'd appreciate, huh?
Like you?
Yeah, like,
You guys almost killed yourself.
yeah, because like you still on the phone.
Go over there.
I tried to be nice.
Go over there if I hit you with the door.
Why don't you try doing it? I already got your license plate.
With the door.
Do it.
You want me to do it?
Yeah, I got your license plate.
You want me to do it?
I don't want you to, but if you do, I already got your license plate.
Why are you in my face? Why the fuck are you in my face?
I'm sitting here.
Tell them where you sit. Tell them.
I will.
They'll say, why you have to look?
Hey, can you say welcome to Stevie TV?
Get your camera out of my face. You're not allowed to record it. You're not allowed to record it. You're not allowed to record it.
We're in public, you dumb. Can record ya. Yeah.
Okay.
Do you not know that? We're in a public street.
Why are you in my face?
I was just trying to politely ask you to put your phone down because you missed that light back there, and it's people like you who kill me.
What I was doing.
Huh?
I don't know what I was doing.
I saw you through your mirror. I saw you counting your money and everything. I was just asking you if you can politely put your phone down. And look how you're acting.
Let's go. Why the fuck are you talking?
Well, you were in front of me, so I'm letting you go first. I'm being polite here.
You're over here. Okay, Linda, you're over here with your gay ass.
My,
Yeah, arguing like a bitch.
I asked you if you could put your phone down and drive.
You don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
I saw you with your phone in your hand. Did I not?
I'm doing.
What are you doing? Do you mind telling the world what you're doing?
Fuck you.
Huh?
Do I?
Does no? I'm glad you don't.
Get the fuck
Why don't you, I said you're in front of me. I'm giving you.
fucking wet there.
I can't legally. I'm not allowed to.
You guys can do whatever. They can be right here and you can be like,
Well, I'm in this lane and I didn't really turn left, so it doesn't really matter.
turn left, bitch. You're just right here in my fucking face.
Yeah. I was asking you if you can politely.
Fuck out of my face. I didn't know.
What? 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 I can't hear you.
Does that make you feel better?
It kind of did, yeah.
You must have a small dick.
Hey, what's with it? Was calling me? Oh my God. Hey, can I honestly ask you a question? Hey, can I seriously ask you a question? What's with the small comments? Why do people think that offends men? Oh my God, man. Oh, some days you just can't help yourself, man. I'm that bitch that'll kill you. AGH3935. You getting a car wash? You need to wash that out. God, this video took a turn. She's getting a car wash. Hey, have a nice day. Have a nice day. Hey, that was an awesome throw. Oh my God. Hey man, my fucking I'm that bitch that'll kill you. Really? Because you slammed on your brakes when you were hitting reverse. That was fucking great. Guys, oh man. Did you see that throw with that CD too, man? Nice day. Hey, that was an She's getting a car wash now. Oh my God. Man, if that ain't a Moto Madness, I don't know what is.
And don't forget, if you want your dash cam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.